In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive links that are not opening. Now, we've all been there. You're trying to access a file and for some reason the link just won't open. Don't worry, we're going to walk through some straightforward steps to get you back on track. First, let's talk about the basics. When dealing with links that aren't opening, the first thing you should try is to refresh your browser. This simple step can sometimes resolve any loading issues or glitches. If refreshing doesn't work, move on to the next step, which is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. These can sometimes store outdated or conflicting information that stops links from opening. To do this, head to your browser settings, look for Clear Browsing Data, and select the options for clearing cache and cookies. Afterward, try opening the link again. If the issue persists, consider using a different browser. Sometimes browser-specific issues prevent links from opening. Switching to a different one can help identify if the problem is with the browser itself. If you're using Google Chrome, try Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge and see if the link works there. Let's say the problem isn't solved yet. The next suggestion is to try opening the link in an incognito or private window. These types of windows don't use your existing cache or cookies, which can sometimes bypass any stored data that might be causing issues. Another crucial aspect to look at is your internet connection. Make sure it's stable and functioning properly. A weak internet connection might prevent links from opening. Sometimes, restarting your router or switching to a different network might be all that's needed. Now, if you have verified everything on your end and the link is still not opening, it might be an issue on the sender's side. Check if you have the correct permissions. Sometimes, the file's sharing settings may have been changed, inadvertently affecting access. In these cases, contact the file owner and request the correct permissions to view or edit the file. You should also pay attention to any security software or extensions that might be interfering with your browsing. Some security software might block access to certain types of content or websites, including Google Drive links. Disable them temporarily to test if they are the cause of the problem. If disabling any of these solves the issue, consider modifying the software settings to allow Google Drive. Hopefully, by now, one of these tips has resolved the issue. If none of these solutions work, double-check with Google's support articles or forums for any additional steps or known issues that might be affecting access to Google Drive links. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in resolving your Google Drive link issues. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech advice.